सामने हो तो मंजिल, रास्ता ना मोड़ना। जो भी मन में है वो सपना ना तोड़ना। जो भी है मन में, जो मन में हो वो सपना ना तोड़ना। कदम कदम पे मिलेंगे मुश्किल आपको, कदम कदम पे बस सितारे चुनने के लिए कभी अपने रास्ता मत छोड़ना।
Success story of Bijay Kumar Sahu, who is the founder of Sai International School, Bhubaneswar. Nelson Mandela once greatly said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Keeping in mind these golden words of the South African anti-apartheid revolutionary, a man in Bhubaneswar who had to fight poverty to get himself educated, has been illuminating the lives of hundreds of children with the nectar of education. Bijay Kumar Sahu visited around 250 schools across the globe between the year 1997 to 2006 before starting Sai International School in Bhubaneswar in the year 2008. Bijay Kumar Sahu, a chartered accountant turned edupreneur in Odisha, mixes education with sports to ensure the all-round development of children. Initiated in the year 2008, Sai International School is now counted as the fourth best school of the country and Odisha's number one school by Education World's top school rankings for India 2017. At present, the school runs with 4,300 students, 600 teaching staff and 1,000 non-teaching staff. Born on 1st of June 1963 in Bhubaneswar, he was the second of two siblings, with an elder sister. His father was into small-time businesses and his earnings were barely enough to keep the kitchen fire burning. He started his education from DM school, from where he cleared his class 12 in the year 1980. The fee was negligible as it was run by the central government. He then took admission at Ravinshaw College in Cuttack and graduated in 1982. Realizing that it was education that made him prosper in life, Bijay Kumar wanted to impart quality education to the future generations and decided to start a school, quitting his CA profession. In the year 1992, he ended the partnership and started his own CA firm, JSS Associates, in Bhubaneswar. In the year 2000, he merged with two more firms to form SRB Associates. He was into the CA profession for almost 15 years. His firm earned quite a reputation and around 25 CAs were working with him. He had clients like Nalco, Falcons, among many others. By the year 2000, he was earning 3 lakhs rupees per month. But his attention was more on the level of education in the state. He wanted to do something to improve it. He always felt that education was a fundamental requirement that can change the future of the country and also of an individual. Bijay Kumar always said, it was education which made him prosper. Education was his passion and he decided to sacrifice his profession to pursue his passion. The edupreneur visited around 250 schools across the world between the year 1997 and 2006 to understand their level of education and what can be done to improve the present setup in Odisha. In the year 2007, when he was earning around rupees 4 to 5 lakhs every month from his firm, he took a sabbatical decision and decided to open a school with world-class facilities. He purchased around 8 acres of land in Bhubaneswar by taking a loan of rupees 10 crore from a bank, which was later extended to rupees 60 crore in the next 5 years. The rate of interest was 10% per annum. The construction began on February 14, 2007 and the doors of the school were thrown open for co-education on 4th April 2008. It started admitting students from nursery to class 8. The school had 410 students, 50 teaching staff and 100 non-teaching staff in the first year. The school got its CBSE affiliation for class 10 and 12 in 2009 and the first batches for the same graduated in the year 2011. He focuses on child and 6 hours is spent every day on academics while 2 hours is given on personality development. Bijay Kumar was thinking to ensure the all-round development of children. Sai International School has an impressive track record of students securing 86% in board exams on an average, with the toppers crossing 90%. In the year 2014, the Sai Group came up with the Sai International College of Commerce at Bhubaneswar. Spread at an area of 2 acres, the college was constructed at an investment of rupees 8 crore. It had 250 students. The institution has been lauded with several awards such as the DL Quality Gold Award in 2017 from Quality Council of India. It is also listed in the Best 50 Schools for Shaping Success by Fortune India and received the Green School Award by the state government. The group also holds foreign collaborations with UNESCO, British Council and Cambridge among others. His wife Shilpi, who holds a PhD in Women's Studies, is the Vice Chairman of Sai International Group. His mantra for success reads, "Every day brings a new challenge. Work hard and face them. Strive to attain excellence and perfection, and success shall follow." This has been the secret of a man who strongly believes that education can change the destiny and direction of life.
Always lead life the fullest. Live like the king size. Thank you. God bless you.